Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to design a database and perform CRUD operations. What to do, what not to do. To make it simple, we will take the example of a school database. So let's get started. So in PostgreSQL, we have servers. Under servers, we have Post 18 and now we will create database named school data. So now we have our database. See, this is our database. This is opening. So here we will do our write our operations. So let's start.
So first we will start by creating a table. Okay. So this is the syntax: create table if not exist. And then we write the table name. So table name is student. Inside parenthesis, we will write column name, which is student ID. Then data type, which is int, and constants, primary key. So primary constants are of different types like primary key, not null, unique, foreign key. For this table, we will add 3 columns: student ID, name, and class. Now to check whether our table is created or not, we will write a query select all from student. So this asterisk means all. So now as you can see, there is no table. We will run it. Oh, I got error. So let's check. Oh, I write tables. Oh, again I got error. Okay, table name. So you can see our table is created. So we will refresh it and now student table is created. Let's insert data now. To insert data, we use the syntax insert into, then table name, and under parenthesis, column names of the table, okay? Student ID, name, class. Then we will write values and then under parenthesis again. So values which we want to enter. The value should match the column names order. So one important thing, do not forget to add semicolon, otherwise you will get an error. So far we have inserted multiple values into our table. You can see that to add multiple rows at once, we simply separate each set of values with a comma inside parentheses like this. However, when inserting multiple values, there is a chance of conflict. For example, if a row with the same primary key already exists, this is where on conflict comes in. What is on conflict? Let me explain you. On conflict is a PostgreSQL feature that helps you handle conflict gracefully. So, when trying to insert data that might already exist, instead of throwing an error, you can choose what action to take: do nothing or do update. So, we will focus on do nothing for now. So, what do nothing do? Ignore the conflicted rows. If the row already exists, then it will just ignore.
Oh, Okay, we get the error of duplicate key. Okay, so we have to remove one. Now this is working. See. Okay, so basically, when we are working with a database, we cannot have two insert syntaxes for the same table. So now we will practice update. The syntax I'm writing is update student. Here the student is the table name, and then we use set. This is where we mention what we want to update. Where to specify which record we want to update. Finally, we end the statement with a semicolon, which I almost forget every time. So now let's update multiple columns. We will use the same update syntax, update student set. This time we will update multiple values. So example name is equal to Akash and class is equal to 9. Then we use where to specify which record we want to update. Let's run it. Okay. Do not forget to add a comma. So let's try the read method. What do we want to delete? We want to delete student with student ID 1. The syntax is delete from student. Then we use where. For example, where student ID is equal to 1. Okay, let's write. Now we will check using. See, the record with student ID is equal to 1 is no longer there. So yes, it's deleted. So if we use delete from student without using where clause, okay, so it will delete all rows in the table. That means every record will be removed, but table structure will still exist. So now we want to delete the table itself, the schema structure. So we use drop. Oh, syntax error. We forgot to add the semicolon. Okay, now it's executed. If we use refresh, if we refresh, you can see there are no columns because the table has been deleted. Okay.